This presentation is brought to you by Braincord Therapy. Is medication for insomnia safe? There is a wide range of medication for insomnia, and not all of them are safe. By looking at prescription and natural remedies, you can find one that works for you. Nearly half of the population suffers from some form of sleeping problem, and around 10% of them use medication for insomnia. Unfortunately, not all forms of sleeping medications are actually safe. In fact, many of the more recently developed synthetic insomnia medications have been linked to some very concerning negative side effects and health risks. Despite their popularity, prescription medication for insomnia is relatively new, and studies are only now revealing their adverse side effects. Sleeping pills come with a wide array of side effects, including confusion, forgetfulness, prolonged drowsiness, including the next day, drug tolerance. Over time you may require a higher dose for the same effect, drug dependence, where you may become unable to sleep without them, withdrawal symptoms including sweating, nausea, and shaking, and rebound insomnia. If medication is stopped, insomnia may come back worse than before. Aside from its numerous side effects, research shows that prescription medication for insomnia also puts you at risk of developing a number of serious health problems. One recent study published in the British Medical Journal discovered that those who took sleeping pills are nearly 4 times as likely to die early. In fact, people took even a small number, fewer than 18 sleeping pills a year, were at greater risk of early mortality. The study also shows a correlation between the amount of sleeping pills taken and the incidence of cancer. Many people are now turning to natural sleep aids, deciding that a solid night's sleep is not worth the health risks. There are also a number of natural sleep aids, and they have long been regarded as the safest and most effective medication for insomnia. These include supplements, dietary and lifestyle changes, and even some forms of therapy. Some of the most effective natural remedies for insomnia include melatonin, which is a hormone that naturally occurs in the human body and regulates sleep. Melatonin supplements have been shown to help in regulating sleep and circadian rhythms. Chamomile is a traditional herb remedy used since ancient times to fight insomnia and other sleeping problems. You can find it in the form of tea, extract, and topical ointment at a number of health food stores. There are a range of treatments in this form of therapy, including relaxation training, cognitive therapy, stimulus control, and sleep regulation therapy. They all aim to teach patients techniques for coping with and controlling their symptoms. Neurofeedback therapy helps to retrain brainwaves to move in normal, healthy patterns. By redirecting dysregulated brainwaves, neurofeedback has been shown effective in managing a number of neurological conditions, including insomnia, anxiety, and chronic pain. You can read more about neurofeedback therapy by following the links shown on your screen. Only you can determine what medication for insomnia is working for you, and it is important that you listen to your body. Not everybody reacts to treatment the same way, and what works for you may not work for someone else. By trying a wide range of treatment options, you can increase your likelihood of finding sleep relief that works for you in a healthy and functional way. Always consult a doctor before making any drastic changes in your insomnia treatment, and seek medical attention immediately if you experience any negative side effects. For more information, please visit our website at www.braincordtherapy.com.